Hey guys, S&S RC Planes. Quick and easy storage idea for your RC planes. Go down to the hardware store, get yourself some 1/2-inch PVC pipe, cut it into 2-foot lengths. Get some 1/2-inch plug-in style tees, cut them directly in half or the best you can. Use a hacksaw or a Dremel with a cutter on it. Cut them down, plug them together, take them, screw them to a wall. It's that simple. Drill a pilot hole if you need to. Sheetrock screw. Put your planes up out of the way. It's quick, it's easy, it's inexpensive. You can paint them if you want. Put end caps on them to dress them up. And that's what it looks like. You can do it for any size wingspan. Just put them closer together or further apart. Till next time, guys, make sure you subscribe.